Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport with a Rocky Ridge K2 package put on it. Stock number 28361T. Now, this Jeep Unlimited is billet silver. Great color. We put a 3.5-inch Rocky Ridge lift on it. Beautiful vehicle. We put the Hammerhead aftermarket bumpers on it from Rocky Ridge. We got the LED lighting, 8,500 pound nylon winch, fog lamps. There's the new JL body, and this one is a soft top. There's your sport package on it. Here's your Fab 4 step bars. Really good look. Blacked out. Black cloth interior. Little touchscreen radio. Push button start, cruise control. It's got the Uconnect, the hands-free telephone. This does have manual windows. Manual locks. And this soft top on these new ones, it's much easier to use on these 4 doors than the old JK. Big 35-inch Mickey Thompsons. Storage. Now you do have the rear backup sensors on this with a backup camera. Tow package. Now these are 18-inch blacked out wheels. We got Flowmaster exhaust on it, exhaust tip. Nice Jeep. Again, 2018 JL body, Wrangler Unlimited Sport. The Rocky Ridge K2 package here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.